4D sedan, EcoTec 2.2 Li4 MPI DOHC, and Clean Car Facts. Well loved. Beauty abounds. Be the talk of the town when you roll down the street in this flawless 2009 Chevrolet Cobalt. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. New Car Test Drive said, "We found the Cobalt quite pleasant to drive, and almost eerily quiet. You really can't go wrong with a vehicle that is in this great of a condition. The previous owner really hated to part with it, and now you'll know why." All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.